What does a landlord do if they don't like their tenant relationship and they have a 1 year lease? Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord Warrior on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. I came across a comment. I think it was on, I don't know where it was from anyway. The gist of the comment was, I have a 1 year lease. I don't like my tenancy relationship. What can I do about that? Well, first, it's me. I'm going to start asking questions about, okay, why don't you like the tenancy relationship? Is your tenant not paying their rent or complying with the lease in some form or fashion? And kind of most common complaints I get from landlords is that tenant doesn't pay on time or they're rude, etc. Okay, so one thing I suggest doing is looking for potential lease violations. Okay, law says, hey, if you don't pay your rent when it's due and it's delinquent, you can issue a notice for non-payment of rent. If the tenant's not doing something that they're supposed to be doing or violating a lease term, law allows you to give a 3-day notice to perform. Basically it's telling the tenants, listen, you are violating a material term of the lease. You need to stop it, or we can terminate for just cause for violating that lease. Another option for a landlord is if the lease is, for a year or a fixed term, and if you're not subject to the Tenants Protection Act or a local eviction control ordinance that governs just cause termination of a tenancy, a landlord could elect to decline renewing the lease agreement and let it expire on its terms. For landlords not subject to any type of just cause eviction, either with the Tenants Protection Act or local ordinance, a landlord can let their tenant know that they're declining to renew the lease. Okay, some cautions. Your local jurisdiction might have rules. A landlord can't terminate a tenancy for a retaliatory purpose under state law and most local ordinances for a protected reason, such as you're terminating their tenancy for, sex, race, etc. Here, you can't discriminate against a tenant lawfully. But there may be other lawful reasons why you can terminate that tenancy. So it might be best to consult with landlord's counsel about your situation so you don't end up in hot water for violating state or local law. Okay. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. If you have a situation like this and you're in the Northern California area, please feel free to reach out. We can talk to you about this and see what you can do. Okay. Till next time, talk to you then. Thanks.